of them.
If y'all listen,
I need to be on the other side of this damn boat.
They'll kind of hiss and growl at each other. If y'all listen.
Is he finna jump up there?
Listen. Here.
I'm like in dead man, so I'm like, wait a minute.
They too close for you, huh? And he keep pointing over here. Clock him with this coke bottle.
He fished for it.
In the alligator world, the bigger alligator eats first. We said those scoots along their back are very, very tough. Y'all listen. Let me hit the side of this. It's very, very tough. That's what protects the alligator. But also, besides protecting them, we said that's how they warm their bodies up. See how the other two alligators left. Bigger alligator always eats first, guys. Everybody doing good?
We're not dead. This is crazy. This is fun. He can't jump up in here too. Go your tail that way. He might be coming for your camera.
No, I got my camera back here.
I do have white on, so you need to see what I
So the other two did go away, huh? As long as he's here, huh?
But the other one's on the other side.
No, here's one right here.
But the other one's on the other side.
Two more coming at you.
two more. Oh wow.
Any questions? Y'all
Yeah,
doing good?
see 'em back there.
Yeah, we're good.
Ready to go swimming yet?
Oh, there's one over there. Oh, all of them right here.
Let's see you do
There's
it.
two more.
There's two more. Oh, yeah. One coming from over there.
They're everywhere, guys.
We see. That was a doozy right there.
It is huge.
There's one right here.
Any questions? Y'all
Got
guess how long an
plenty.
alligator can hold his breath for?
What? 70 seconds. 2 hours.
Up to an hour.